Hello everyone, I thought I'd start a little segment called Art Tip Tuesday, and I thought I'd give a little tip every week of something that I find really helpful, or maybe a tool that I can't live without. So today I'm going to be talking about pencil work, whether that's graphite or colour pencil. So I thought I'd just go through the three main tools apart from the pencils that I really couldn't live without. So I've got them in my hands here. The first one is the slice tool, and this is by Slice UK, and it's a retractable slice that you can actually pull up some of the pigment that you've laid down, and this is fantastic for whiskers and fine hairs, light hairs over the top of dark hairs, which is always notoriously difficult to do in colour pencil. A lot of the time you have to leave those areas out, which is always a bit difficult, so this is fantastic for pulling those up. The next tool is the Tombow Mono Eraser. I hope it's not focusing too much. Mono Zero, this one, and it's a kind of clickable rubber, and it's tiny. It's really great for those small details, again the fine hairs, just pulling up some pigment, and really great for the highlights, especially in graphite. You know, you can get a really defined area here. You're not going in with a really big eraser. And the next thing is the Castel Kneadable eraser. It's a bit like Blue Tack, but just slightly less sticky, a bit more malleable. It's not as tough, and you can kind of shape this into a really small point, and you can either lift up some pigment to create texture in your colour pencil work. So say it's a woolly fur or something like that, so you can pull up a little bit of pigment, not a lot, and it just leaves some down, and so you create this lovely texture. Or you can use it to just lift up some pigment, say from the highlight of an eye where you've a bit of smudging's gone on or something like that. So this is fantastic. It can be used on a flat surface. You can knead it to the size that you need. So those are my three tools for pencil work that I just could not live without. If you have any other ones that you just couldn't live without, then please leave that in the comments below, and I really look forward to reading them there. See you next time.